you're around the kids and they're splashing in the pool and you get wet, it's like, it's okay. It'll just dry as I'm wearing it. So this is the ruffle neck sleeveless dress. We have lots of prints and lots of style. I will tell you that we have this print in a cha-cha style skirt. We also have it in a cha-cha or a ruffle top. You could put those two pieces together and make a completely different outfit. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody knew that we carried Lulu B, because she is an absolutely fabulous line, easy to wear, no-brainer line. I've worn Lulu B all the way from Rockport to Lake Charles, and I think I even maybe wore it in Las Vegas. Clearly, you can see my travel takes me to casinos.
Can I just mention one thing?
You can.
So this, and it says on the tag, it's a cooling effect fabric.
Yes.
And I wore it to Disney last year, and I was cool. It did not make me hot, and it was in July. It was a million gazillion degrees, and it was, I mean, if I ever go back to Disney, which I hope not to, that would be all I would wear, because it's amazing.
And you can literally like roll it in a ball, put it in your suitcase, and pull it out and look fabulous. And for people that are in Texas, if you've ever been to Rockport, the temperature is hot and 1,000,000% humidity.
Hot and hotter.
And I wear this all the time, and it's very, very comfortable. So yeah, and
Super
look at
cute.
you.
So same pants, different top. So you've got different looks that you can just take, you know, this, and you could even wear just a plain t-shirt with this, with the pants. I love it. These pants are like the
They're so cute.
They really are. And it's just a fun little situation. And again, if you don't want it tight, you just tuck it in, and you can blouse it a little bit and give you a whole different look. And
then this top could go back with blue jean shorts, a white linen short, solid color that would complement this. So you could pack
all
this, you could pack that, you could pack the peach shirt, cha-cha shorts, cha-cha top, and this dress, and you'd be good for 7 days.
7 days.
7 days.
So, all right. And
okay, I'm getting
also,
a little crazy.
You could, I think, conceivably wear this bow back, which is a natural material, and it would look really cute. You'd have to tuck it with these pants.
Oh,
but
that would be super cute.
Isn't that super cute? And your sparkle straps, and you were styling and profiling.
Yep. So I think we've shown our arsenal of goodies, and I think we've changed more times than we've probably changed in a week. So we're here till 5 today. We do have a storefront. We will also ship to you. 832-758-1392.
Oh, and we still have some Uno Day 50 on sale.
Yes.
Which is always fun. We love it. And so, you know what? You really need to come and spend a little bit of time in the store, because we have so much fun, so many fun goodies, and we are often called, a lot of our clients call us, clients call us, their happy place is, you know, one friend came in the other day, and she said, you know, my this, my that, and blah, blah, blah. And I just had to come and have some retail therapy and just get happy and see the happy people.
See that it's okay to be happy even when things are not always going the way you want it.
There you go.
And we love that. And we actually have a bottle of champagne open that we need to use today. So come on in and visit.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a little bubbly.
All right. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Did we not turn that light on?
We didn't.
How do you finish?
How do we turn it off? Evelyn!
Okay. Hold on. This is funny.
Well, and I can't see because I don't have my glasses. I give up.
I don't know. We don't know.
Y'all just don't watch anymore, because this is the bloopers. This is the bloopers part of it.
There's got to be a way to turn it off.
Well, there has to be. Turn the whole phone off. I don't know. I'm so confused. Do you need your glasses?